Alright guys, so today's a different type of recipe. I have here is chicken stock that I got from these chicken thighs. I took out all the meat and then as you can see, I scraped off all the fat on top. So now it's very clean and less oily. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a chili out of this, or a chickpea stew. And basically I'm going to put carrots, onions, and then put some chickpeas, some tomatoes in there. And then it'll make a nice stew. So I'll be back, guys. Stay tuned. I'm gonna add some rice in there to thicken it up as well. So yeah, I'll be back and get all the ingredients together now. Okay, so I actually opted not to put in the tomatoes and the chickpeas because I put a lot of rice in there and it's probably gonna be just as thick. So I'll save that for a different recipe. I am gonna season it with some fennel, some herb mix that I got, some lemon zest, all that stuff. So that's gonna go all in there, and then we hit the rice bun on the Instant Pot, and then you do a quick taste test, so stay tuned, guys. Alright guys, so it's all done. As you can see, it looks really, actually quite awesome. So let's do a quick taste test. Here it is. It's hot. Wow, it's really good, guys, because it has a lot of flavor from the chicken, and the broth, oh, it's like, think of it like a turkey soup after Thanksgiving. Pretty much like that, guys. Definitely check it out. It's really good, definitely. And I just added onions, put some seasoning in there. Yeah, stay tuned for more videos, guys.